Today, what we're here today to clean up our community. So let's get started and work together to keep our community clean. And remember to properly segregate your waste. Smile, guys.
Hey kid, what are you doing? What is that? Is that a mixed garbage?
It's just that I'm really hurried for school and I don't have time to throw it.
It's mixed trash. I saw plastic, papers, and other things. Kid, we need to segregate our trash properly.
Huh? Let me see. Oh, it does. Kid, it's important to segregate our trash properly. Segregate your waste before throwing it. If it catches you next time, there will be a consequences.
I'm
Okay.
very truly and I'm really hurried for school and anything happens to segregate it. I do my best to care. I'll do my best to segregate it next time before I finish here.
So let's handle it for now. Oh my gosh.
This role page shows the importance of waste management. We all do our part to maintain the cleanliness of our environment. Agree? Yes!